Which expression is equal to 8 times 3/5? So we'll go ahead and simplify 8 times 3/5, and we'll also simplify the expressions A through D, and then we'll see which one A through D is equal to 8 times 3/5. So 8 times 3/5 is equal to 8 times 3 is 24 over 5. Option A, 11 times 1 is 11. 5 times 1, 5, 11 over 5. B, 33 over 5. And C, 24 over 5. And D, 24 times 3, 72 over 5 times 1, 5. And as we can see, 8 times 3/5 is equal to 24 times 1/5. So 8 times 3/5 is 24 over 5, and 24 times 1/5 is 24 over 5. So let's place our check next to option C. Now let's look at another similar example. Which equation is not true? So we're going to simplify these equations, and then we will see which one is not true. So we simplify both sides of the equations and we see which one is not true. So 5 over 1 times 3/4, and that is equal to 5 3 is 15 over 1 times 4 is 4. So 5 times 3/4 is equal to 15 over 4, and that is not equal to 15 over 3. And that's the answer we're looking for, but let's go through the others because you never know. So option B, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and 1 times 5 is equal to 5, and that is equal to 8 times 1, 8. 1 times 5 is 5. So 4 times 2/5 equals 8 times 1/5. Next, 3 over 1 times 5 over 6, and that is 15 over 6, and therefore 3 times 5, 6 is equal to 15 over 6. Next, 2 over 1 times 4 over 8, 2 times 4 is 8 over 8, 8 over 1 times 1, 8, 8 times 8, 8, and 1 times 8 is 8. And therefore, our correct choice is A. Which equation is not true? And the correct choice is A. 5 times 3/4 is not equal to 15 over 20. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you find it very helpful. Please remember to like, share, and if you have not already done so, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.